Hello, everyone. I just want to do a really quick, short video here about my Be Whole Journey program. I've done a 12-month program online in reference to my book, Be Happy Now, Claim the Life You Deserve. And it's broken into body wisdom, mindful matters, and awakening the heart. So you can purchase just 3 months at a time. You can purchase the whole 12 months, however you like. But it's really about connecting in with yourself, your body, your mind, and your heart, and navigating that territory in a healthier, more productive way that's aligned with who you are and your values. So there's tools and resources and exercises, and I hope it's helpful as you begin to chart your course for 2024. Thanks.